In these difficult days, friends stand together. Historical Anatolia, a place where civilization developed over centuries, united us in grief as it seeks help to heal its wounds. War-torn Syria called upon us to extend the hand of solidarity, and that hand was extended quickly. The European Union responded rapidly to what is one of the world's biggest disasters this century. The response has brought unity. During the rescue efforts, one Turk and one Greek found themselves holding each side of a stretcher. They came together to save people.
Honourable members, I wish to start by expressing my heartfelt condolences to the people of Turkey and of Syria. Just hours after the earthquake, the European Union mobilized search and rescue teams for Turkey. The European Union Civil Protection Mechanism has offered 32 search and rescue teams and 6 medical teams from 21 EU member states and 3 other European participating states.
I invite you to join me for a minute of silence in honor of the many victims of this tragic earthquake.
"21 European Union member states sent search and rescue teams. Shelter, heaters, along with millions of other items were also delivered. Field hospitals were built.
We are here to coordinate and facilitate the European assistance to Turkey after the request from the Turkish government. We have close to 2,000 European rescuers here in the country. We have urban search and rescue teams and also the medical teams supporting Turkey in this very sad and serious situation. It's really big emergency, and I feel very sorry to see so many people injured in such a wide area.
They showed us which building is gonna.
Go there anyway because it's gonna take too.
To help the Turkish population in this tragic disaster, we arrived Tuesday morning very early, and up until now we have 12 live rescues, which we of course are very happy, but it is in no relation to the enormous suffering the people of Turkey are having here. We had a lot of talks with a lot of locals, having relatives in the rubbles, having to disappoint them because there were no signs of life, and even people in the rubble still alive that would have taken days, maybe weeks to take out because the buildings were fully tumbled over.
The EU has demonstrated one of the best examples of solidarity as its member states helped tackle the devastation of the earthquake. The search and rescue teams from the EU countries worked alongside their Turkish counterparts. Their round-the-clock efforts helped bring 87 people out alive from under the rubble.
Of course, here the population suffered a lot. We are very sad for that. We are very, let's say, happy and proud to bring here some hope and help to this population in this difficult moment. Thank you, and people is very thankful for what we have done, and we are thankful for their support. They always support us. We established a very good connection with the population here, so we are very sad for what happened here.
"33 European search and rescue teams, helped by their specially trained dogs, worked across the earthquake zone, facing difficult and dangerous circumstances. They cried when a life was saved and when one was lost.
We are working from the beginning of our operation mainly without any break, because we are composed of 4 small teams, and the teams are changing on the battlefield, I suppose.
Sometimes we go with other teams. Today we are with a Turkish team, and the last few days we are with a team from United Kingdom. So we're working all together.
Zeynep, tamam. Okay. Daniel hier. Korkma, okay?
They ate from the same pot with the earthquake survivors. Together, they shared both sorrow and joy.
Siz normalde ne iş yapıyorsunuz abi? Kendiniz
Ben
mi hazırladınız?
öğretmenim. Burada bizim bir tane arkadaşımız vardı. Haber aldık ondan, haberleştik. O şekil getirdik. Hani burada ihtiyaç var dedik. Ondan dolayı buraya getirdik.
When the time came for the rescue teams to leave, the European Union did not stop supporting people in need. The extensive aid effort continues. The transportation of humanitarian and medical aid is ongoing, reaching the traumatized areas hit by the earthquake. The field hospitals continue to welcome people in need of urgent treatment.
Sahra Hastanesi kurulduğunu duyduk. İlk önce müdahale olarak buraya getirdik. Allah razı olsun. Bakıyorlar. Devletimizden, Avrupa Birliği'nden hepsine teşekkür ediyoruz.
Yardım eden herkesten çok teşekkür ediyor. Evet, çok yardım ediliyor. İnsanlık ölmemiştir. Bunu gördüm. Çok duygulanmamak elde değil gerçekten. Herkese çok teşekkür ediyorum. Valla doktorlar sağ olsun çok iyi, çok da yani ne bileyim çok yani ilgilendiler, Allah razı olsun. A'dan Z'ye kadar çok ilgilendiler. Sağ olsunlar.
Great satisfaction for us. We had 1 hour ago a section in emergency, so we save a new life really in a critical situation, and that's all the team is very happy and enthusiastic for this event that we have 1 hour ago, and so we are really very happy.
With the European umbrella, it's much easier to make that everyone that is prepared can go out. And it was fast. It has been very, through our government, we have had the contact with the ERCC and everything, and I think, and we got the okay very fast. So I think it's like good.
The EU continues to show solidarity with those it declares as friends, and member states, the people from within those countries who collected, gathered and delivered support and aid, who carried out rescues, are grateful to the people of Turkey and Syria for sharing bread, as well as for sharing a grief and joy that brought all sides together.